Hello.
I want to ask you, do you have any role models that are physicians?
Yes, actually, I have worked since 2004 with Dr. Karen Singer, who is a board certified plastic surgeon. She's both a Harvard undergrad and med school, and I started working with her as a patient care coordinator. So I was basically involved in sales and education of patients. And what she did for me was to see a quality in me as far as clinical ability that I didn't see in myself. And I would ask her a question and she would respond with a book and say, I want you to answer it to me. And she would have me do reviews of tests as well as clinical procedures and assisting her. And at one point she just looked at me and said, you know, you really do speak well the language of medicine and it's something that you should pursue.
What individuals have been influential in your decision to pursue a medical career?
Mostly my children. I was on the fence about whether or not to pursue a complete medical degree, and my daughter was ill. She was diagnosed with an Arnold-Chiari malformation, which is basically a mass at the base of her brain. When we took her to All Children's, the doctors that were there questioned my internal maternal instinct and wanted to send her home. At which point I pushed for additional tests, and when I got the additional tests, we found this mass, and she was in surgery 24 hours later. They told me that had we not done that, she would have died in her sleep. And I decided at that moment, at that space and time, that for my daughter, for my children, I would never be at the mercy of another physician. I would then be a physician myself.
Thank you.